What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? Imagine transforming your body and mind with just 60 seconds a day. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I will reveal the surprising benefits of doing a 1-minute plank every day. From boosting your metabolism to improving your mental health, this simple exercise can bring about extraordinary changes. If you are ready to find out how, keep watching. In this video, I will be exploring the world of planks, a humble yet powerful bodyweight exercise. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone struggling to find time for the gym, planking can be your secret weapon. I uncover what happens when you commit to a 1-minute plank every day. You might be surprised by the incredible results. Let's set the scene. You wake up each morning, roll out of bed and hit the floor for a 60-second plank. It sounds simple, but what's really happening to your body during this minute? Let's break it down step by step. First up, let's talk about something crucial, your back. Did you know that planking can significantly reduce your risk of back and spinal injuries? When done correctly, planking strengthens your back muscles without putting unnecessary pressure on your spine and hips. This means less back pain and better posture. Imagine sitting and walking with ease, free from that nagging discomfort. Now let's move to your core. Planks are renowned for defining your abs. But we're not just talking about those six-pack muscles. Planks engage all your major core muscles, including your obliques and abdominals. As you get stronger, you'll notice improvements in other exercises too. Picture this. Your squats and deadlifts become more powerful. And for the ladies, there's an added bonus. Planks help lift and tone your booty. You might be wondering, how can one exercise offer so many benefits? Well, stick around to find out how. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing. But will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. But what about burning calories, you might ask? Excellent question. Planks are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This translates to a higher calorie burn compared to other abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Building muscle through planking also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Here's an interesting twist. Did you know that planking can improve your balance? Think about the last time you tried to stand on one leg and wobbled. Strengthening your core with planks enhances your balance and stability, making you better at sports and everyday activities. The benefits don't stop at the physical. Planking also has mental health perks. Yes, you heard that right. Planking affects your nerves, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It stretches out tight muscles, easing tension built up from long hours of sitting or standing. Imagine calming your mind and alleviating symptoms of depression with a simple 1-minute exercise. Now, how can one exercise offer so many benefits? The beauty of planking lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. By dedicating just 1 minute a day, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, happier life. So, are you ready to take on the 1-minute plank challenge? Start tomorrow and see how your body and mind transform. And don't forget to come back and share your results after a month of regular planking. I can't wait to hear your stories. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, click on the playlist displayed for more informational and educational videos like this one. Also, until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, stay strong, and keep planking.